Okay, so I just bought this Daisy BB gun with my last $50 and some targets, and we're gonna test it out. Oh, stop shaking. My goodness. Sorry guys, I'm recording on my mom's tripod. Don't tell her I took it. Anyway, so yeah, this was about $33 actually. It was $50 total for the targets too. So let's open it up. Oh, look at this thing. Dude, I need to sharpen this knife. Bro, just lost the glasses. Okay, got them. Safety first. Look at these bad boys. I'm a real BB gun shooter now. They also included some pellets. Nice. Okay, just filled it up. It's all full. Let's charge it. Not bad. It's so tiny. Look at this. Compared to my hand, it's so small, bro. Look at that. Don't forget about the safety glasses. Super important when handling a dangerous. Oh my goodness, I can't speak English. When handling a dangerous weapon like this. Is that oil it's shooting out? Looks like little smoke. I don't know. Ready? Super fast shooting. 3, 2, 1. Put it on safety before we do that. Pretty sick. Okay, now let's go put on the target things. Okay, I installed the targets right there. It's like 15 yards, 20 yards. A little setup on the hay bale. Super comfy seat. First try. Ah, missed. It keeps going left. Got it. I hit right on the edge. Oh my goodness, okay. Okay, let's see where we hit. Yep, that's that one. Okay, we hit one here. We hit right there too. And another one right there. And I think we hit the little one somewhere. I guess right there on the side we hit it a little bit. No way a BB gun does this much damage. What? Dude, these targets are kind of trash. Let's see how good the grouping is on this. Not bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So like a 4-inch, 5-inch group. It's only like 15, 20 yards. Okay, so we saw the aim on this thing is kind of, it's alright, I guess. But how strong is it? Like, you know, what if you're in the mountains hiking and a bear comes on you? Just, you know, gotta know if you could take it. We're gonna shoot this piece of cardboard. Let's see if it could go through one cardboard. It went through right there. Now let's see if it could go through 2 layers. There's the where it entered, and that's the exit hole. So it went through 2. I was not expecting for it to go through 2. Now let's see if it could go through 3. What? That's where it entered. That's where it exited. I'm surprised. Okay. Wow. I guess 4 layers. That's where it entered, exited right there. 5 layers, I guess. Yeah, looks like 5 layers is max. See, you can see it came through right there. Just left a couple marks, but it didn't go through. So yeah, 5 layers is the max it could go. So will this thing kill a bear when you're hiking? I don't know. Honestly, you probably have better luck just using it as a bat and just smacking a bear. Okay, for $30 or $32, $33, honestly, this thing's not that bad. Just, you know, just a little gun, just shooting for fun. Might go hunting with this and see if I could get anything like a dove or quail. That'd be cool. Let's pretty fun to shoot.